Good morning. We're here in Lamar. We are out on the field. We are hunting snow geese today in southeast Colorado. Bent Barrel Goose Club out of the Northern Front Range here in Colorado.
After you get it dialed in and know.
Got some Pueblo boys with us.
What's up?
You guys, Bent Barrel, Out West Adventures LLC, Lamar, Colorado, southeastern Colorado. We are with Jeff Travis. This guy's an awesome guy. Shooting snows, as you can see. We got about 50 dozen snows out here. We have 8 guys in our group. What we're gonna do is we're gonna be over here, bring you over here. You got Tristan, he's doing some motion with us. What's up, Tristan?
What's up,
Tristan's with Out West Adventures. That's Mr. Travis. He's our guide today. Out West Adventures, Lamar, Colorado. We're gonna do it up. There's Ronnie. Funny guy. We'll go over here. We're gonna be hunting out of A-frames today. We got Tim. Tim rolls out of Boone, Colorado. Right here, man.
Morning.
You guys are good. He's a killer. That guy's straight up killer. Got Brog, we got Hammer.
What's up? Why they call him Hammer?
Ask him why they call him Hammer. Show him, buddy. All right, we're gonna hunt out of these A-frames today, guys. Here we go. Look at that.
Joe, let's throw this.
We're gonna hunt right in this here. This A-frame. Hook it down. Guys, we'll get back to you here in a few. Start setting up. Shoot them snows. See you in a bit.